Hello students, today we are going to learn how to represent square root of 3.5 on a number line, and for this we are going to follow a few simple steps. Say root 3.5 is equal to root of x, therefore 3.5 we will consider as x, and then we will find x plus 1, which is equals to 3.5 plus 1 equals to x plus 1. 4.5 is equals to x plus 1, and we are going to consider for representation purposes AB is equals to x plus 1 is equals to 4.5. Let us represent the situation on the number line. Here on the number line I have marked AB, that is the distance 4.5 centimeters, and marked C as well, such that AC is equals to 3.5 and CB is equal to 1 centimeter. Now the next step is we need to construct a perpendicular bisector of AB. For that, we will be considering the endpoints of the line segment one by one and opening the compass more than half. We'll just set it a little bit. So opening the compass more than half, we will be marking the arcs, keeping the radius constant. So here, this is the first arc at the top, and in the bottom as well I will be putting the same arc. Now taking B as center, we need to construct the arcs which intersect the already present arcs like this. Now join the two to have the perpendicular bisector like this, and name the intersection point as O. Now taking O as center, we need to construct a semicircle such that the radius is AO or OB, that is AB is the diameter of the semicircle. So keeping the compass point at O, measure the radius OA and then draw the semicircle like this. After drawing the semicircle, the next step is to have a perpendicular at point C. For having a perpendicular at point C, we can either consider a protractor or we can construct a 90-degree angle using a compass. So this is the point I need to take for 90 degrees, and then join C with this. Now this is the perpendicular. Say CP. CP is perpendicular at point C. The point where this perpendicular is intersecting the semicircle drawn, which I am going to represent with the blue color. So here this point is. This particular point is actually giving you the length of root 3.5. So C, say this point is D. CD is giving you the length root 3.5. So I will be writing here CD is equals to root 3.5. And now it is a perpendicular length. Here we need to represent the same length on the number line. For that, a simple step we will be following. Taking the center C and measuring the distance CD. Open the compass, measure the distance CD, and then draw one arc, drawing a sector like this, which is intersecting the number line, and it is intersecting number line at say point E. Therefore, from C to E, the distance which is marked on the number line will be considered as root 3.5. For the justification of the same, kindly subscribe. The very next video will be showing the justification of the representation.